What is up, everybody? Mike from Hungry in the Hudson Valley here, and we got corned beef ribs. I had corned beef ribs when I was a kid with my grandfather. He got them from a local butcher, and I didn't know how to cook, obviously, then, and I thought I'd never have these again, but I started learning how to cook and doing this stuff myself, and now I can have corned beef back ribs. Usually it comes in a big rack, but these today came like this. And here's the cool thing about this is that I brined and cooked these all today in the same pot. And that's what I'm trying to share with you guys today, is that you can make corned beef at home really quick. I'm just going to show you how tender this stuff is. This fell apart. This just fell right off the bone there. Clear up, man. Hey. HD, baby, huh? So much for that. Yo. Alright, my camera doesn't want to cooperate. Anyway, I'll just eat this piece here. Nice and tender. Like butter. You'll never go back when you have this. Sorry for that text there. Thank you to whoever sent it. Alright, so here's how we do this. Okay. This is Cure number 1. Prague powder number 1. Cure number 1. I put that guy there. Poison if used wrong. It is sodium nitrite, I believe. That doesn't matter, whatever. Cure number 2 is even worse. Cure number 2. Why is this thing not focusing, man? You're driving me insane. Thank you. It is sodium nitrate. And cure number 2 is sodium nitrite. Sodium nitrite is for long-term cures when you're hanging stuff like supersad, you know, sausages like that have to hang and dry. It protects from bacteria. Cure number 1 is for cooking, meat you have to cook, corned beef, things like that. So, and then here's Diamond Crystal Kosher salt. What I did here is I weighed the water. I have a scale. $10, Amazon, $15, something like that. In grams, weigh the water, weigh your meat. Take about 40% of the weight off for bones if you have bone in. If not, use 100%. Then multiply that. So I had like 2.5 pounds of meat. So I did 2.5 times 454, which is how many grams are in a pound. And it came out with the number. So I did, from that number, you do 0.25% of this. If you're a little off, you're fine. Don't worry about it. It's not going to kill you. I just put that there because you can't use it like regular salt. And that's why they make it pink. But disclosure, because some people are silly out there. So 0.25% curing salt. 2% kosher salt. 1% sugar, just regular white sugar. Put all that together with the water and everything in the pot. Brought this guy to a boil, rolling boil. Turned it down to a heavy simmer. It was like between like 2 and 3 here. Your stove might be different. It should be bubbling pretty fast. And I just let it cook like that for 4 hours, and that's it. It's done. Look, it's pink. It's awesome, succulent meat. It's so freaking good. You have no clue how good corned beef ribs are. Do it with short ribs. Start throwing stuff in there, man. Do corn a freaking tri-tip. Get busy. Start corning at home. You don't need to wait weeks for it. It's fine if you do want to do it that way, but look at this. I'm a guy that doesn't plan out well. Yeah, my stove's kind of messed up. I cook a lot. Great. But, see? Look at that. I didn't want to... What am I going to do? Plan this 10 days in advance? Man, I want corned beef today. I want corned beef ribs today. So I went out and bought corned beef ribs. Today. Alright? You can do this at home. Very easily. Just remember those calculations. 0.25% cure. Number 1. Cure number 1. 2% kosher salt. 1% sugar. And then you could throw some pepper in there, some peppercorns, garlic, whatever you want. So you weigh the water and the meat, and those are the measurements that you use. That's it. And cook it in the pot in one day. Done. Peace out. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your super succulent corned beef ribs.